Hello, and welcome to my review of the Shaker 3-in-1 vacuum cleaner. So I'm just opening everything up here and kind of noticing all the different little gadgets that's coming along with it. And I'm actually surprised. This is a little charging um, and an extra filter because it already had a filter in it. And then all the little nozzles that you can add to it, attach to it. I'm starting to like this thing already, and I haven't even used it yet. Okay, and now we got the actual vacuum cleaner itself. See, it's handheld, so you would take it anywhere. That part unscrews, but I had to read to find out how to do it. It didn't even take all of that. But anyway, yeah, that's a little power button. So let's actually try it out on my little dusty fireplace here. But I'll let y'all take a look. Here it goes. Might be added to this video. Boom. Ash. So right here, I actually shocked myself when I realized how good this thing is working. It was like sucking up all the stuff that was even spread it far out. Like I wasn't even on it, and it was sucking it up. I also realized how many cobwebs I had. Oops. Now, y'all see that. Mm, 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 mm. Do I have a job for Kyrie? Will this work? Huh? You say he'll use it on his own. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Okay, y'all, so at this point, I'm just excited and I'm just looking for this. Like, searching for it. So I could just suck it up. With this wonderful vacuum. Look at the look, let's watch. Purr. Purr means period. Period. Purr. Oh my goodness, more dust. Yes. Mm, perfect. Looking for more. Can't find it, but whatever. Okay, so y'all know them hard to reach areas that you can barely see, that be collecting the most dust. I ain't even gotta see in there. I just get up there and just shook it, shook it, shook it. Okay, that's not the sound that the vacuum cleaner makes, but you get my point. Like, that's the movement I'm making. Shook it, shook it. Whatever, you see the dust. You see it. Oh my goodness. Come on, stay right there. I need you to see how dirty it is without falling. Yeah, this thing like getting in all the crevices, all the creases, all the little nooks and crannies. Y'all see it. Like, come on. Like, I ain't never been this excited about a little tiny little vacuum cleaner. This little thing got some power. Man, it's on. It's on. For real. At this point, y'all, I didn't forget that y'all even here. I'm enjoying myself. Okay? Like, legit enjoying myself. So, y'all gonna have to excuse me. I'm gonna just cut whatever. You know what's about to happen. Right. Okay, so I got a little more carried away, and I had to go try my junk drawer and just empty that out, and then get all them little crumbs and stuff. Success. I mean, success. Too excited, but okay, y'all see. It did it. Y'all, I apologize for the snoring in the background if you heard it. My husband is knocked out. Okay, so y'all just gonna have to ignore that. Babe, I'm sorry. I love you. Bye.